If you want to delete your GitHub account, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, go ahead to your browser, and then basically what you're gonna do in order for this to work out, log in with your GitHub account in your browser. Click your avatar icon at the top right, and then scroll a little bit down to the settings. Click settings from here, and then you're gonna see multiple options from the left-hand menu. Go ahead and click account, and then scroll a little bit down. You're gonna see the account settings, and then scroll a little bit down till you find the delete account button. So go ahead and click delete account, and then basically enter your email, and then type, this is extremely important, type delete my account, and then delete my account, and then just go ahead and click cancel plan and delete this account, and basically you're gonna be able to delete it permanently. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.